what to do anymore. My gosh, it's been so long. Hey y'all, if you guys do not know me, my name is Akima. I am an online fitness and meal prep coach, and I have lost over 80 pounds, and now I help ambitious women do the same. Women that have been surviving and they just want to thrive, okay? But it's been a little minute because Coach has not been thriving. She has actually been surviving. So I wanted to spend the day with y'all, not really the day, a few hours because I got meetings later. So just spend some time with me. Let's catch up. I am going to meal prep a few meals, and then I'm actually gonna work out right now before I meal prep. Let's just catch up, y'all. We gonna catch up. We gonna chat, and I'm gonna just kind of let y'all know what's been going on. Let's start with at least one update before we get into the workout. I feel like it's been the hardest to just get back onto YouTube and just facing the camera because I have gained weight. I feel like as I was gaining the weight, I was getting more compliments about how my body looked. So over the past few weeks, really months, I have just been battling this like emotional roller coaster. I am trying to prioritize everything in my life, but the one thing that's lacking right now is prioritizing myself, regulating my emotions and not letting my emotions take over everything. And I feel like I've been ignoring the emotions, and that's why the scale, it's moving in the wrong direction. It's just growing in combination of me just emotionally eating and me just skipping meals. I could start a month and I would start off so strong, but then I'd start getting brain fog and skipping meals. Then I'm like, okay, you need to start back fresh. I need to get back on track. I start eating good, but then now the emotions are running high. So my mind's like, well, you're back to eating. Now you need to eat more. So it's like some weeks I don't eat at all. And then some weeks I just eat way too much. And of course I wasn't tracking. I wasn't doing anything because it's just so much for me to do. So I was prioritizing everything else but myself. And over the last few weeks, I have really felt that. That's why this morning I laid in my bed and I was like, I have to record for the tube, because what's the point of like documenting the journey if it's not even the full journey, you know? So hopefully this is the icebreaker that I need to get comfortable, because I feel like y'all are watching this like, girl, that's nothing. But over here, I'm like getting the chills, my stomach is turning. And that's literally the emotional regulation I've been trying to control over the last few months. The feeling of like not feeling my emotions on my body. I can't even describe my feelings anymore. I can describe how I feel. I can describe if I feel a pit in my stomach. I can describe I'm getting hot, if I have chills, if my heart is beating. But if you ask me how I'm feeling in that moment, I cannot tell you what feeling that is, what emotion that is. And I have been prioritizing just going to therapy twice a week. So I have my personal sessions every week. And then me and my husband, Dom, we have couple sessions. At first, it was every other week, but recently it has been every week. Not necessarily because we've been arguing and stuff like that, even though we have. We're having the sessions more frequently because we really want to keep our issues in the sessions and not bring them into our lives, because that's going to help regulate our emotions and create that boundary. I think personally, I couldn't even move forward with doing anything without getting this off my chest, because I just feel like there's so much going on right now. I really want my YouTube channel to be a space where women can feel seen, supported, heard, also get the confidence to continue doing whatever they're doing, whether it be their weight loss goals, their business goals, their ambitions. With me being 25 years old, I just feel like my calling on YouTube is so much more, and that's why I really wanted to just catch up with you guys, do a quick update, show my face, because I'm gonna come back harder than ever, and y'all gonna see all of my life. But let's go ahead and get this workout in. I don't even know what we're doing for the workout. We're just going off vibes. So another update for you guys. The garage gym has gotten a makeover. So we got a new machine, and I was supposed to do a full-on video tour, and I literally have the footage of me unboxing everything. First, compared to like my machine that I have right now, the original K6 Power Rack, that was the OG machine I had when I first started my weight loss journey. But then I won a giveaway for a Smith machine that I have been wanting, and I was super excited Bro, it came in like 4 boxes, I think, and the boxes were so heavy, but that was because it came with a whole bar. Like, duh, it's a Smith machine, so it makes sense. Literally, it took me like a week to set up everything because like Dominic working and everything, I tried to open a box, take everything out, throw away all the cardboard. Every day, I would do just enough. Then if I needed Dominic's help, I would stop, get his help on that section, continue without him, and then I'll basically just repeat that every single day so that I'm not getting burnt out. Bro, it took me a whole week. Granted, I was high-key doing it by myself. I wouldn't recommend you do it by yourself. And the first system that I got, it took 3 people to do it, and I was also 80 pounds heavier. So I am thankful for this weight loss journey because old Akima would not have been able to even lift the shit. Y'all, I feel like the day got away from me. I just got off my last meeting for the day. It's 5 o'clock, so I am about to cook dinner. I was gonna meal prep, but I realized I don't have enough chicken to meal prep for multiple days, and I did not take the ground beef out the freezer to thaw, so we're gonna just do that tomorrow. But for today, I think we're gonna make some orange chicken. I really be forgetting that I have cookbooks at home. I have 3 cookbooks, so I'm like, I don't even know what to make with this chicken. Let me look at my cookbooks and see what I can do. So this cookbook is Bad Bitch in the Kitchen. I got this from Barnes & Noble, and this chef is Cassie Young. I watch her on YouTube, everything, so I had to get her cookbook. And in her cookbook, she has a orange chicken recipe. I've made orange chicken a few times, and I know how to make it, but why not use her recipe and create a nice orange chicken dish? Especially because I got a new wok and I got a new frying pan. So I think this is the best time to break that in. And we're gonna go make a bomb-ass dinner. Chicken is good to go. We're gonna put this in the fridge while we go ahead and make our sauce, it looks like. We are finally done with the orange chicken, and I think I did pretty good. So I'm gonna take a little quick sample before I let y'all go. It's so hot, I don't even know, like, I want a small piece. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's steaming hot. Like, can you see the steam coming out of this? The steam. As Cassie Young would say, first bite, bestie. I think because I didn't have the zest of the orange, it's not as orangey. Definitely gonna make again. A few different revisions, but overall, I love it. It's not too sweet. I didn't use brown sugar, I used coconut brown sugar. So I'm about to go relax, eat, and call it a day. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the little chit chat and updates, and for sure I'm gonna give you guys like a for real sit down life update. What's the plan for the summer, and you know, just where we're going from here. If you're not subscribed already, I don't know why you're not subscribing. You're watching the end of this. That's weird. Go subscribe. For everyone that's already subscribed, thank you so much for the support, and like always, I will see you guys in the next video.